Everyone, today I will review about pacdual for the liquid gel. It has 3 years of shelf life. You can use it in different way. It has multi-purpose uses. I use it to fix my liquid lipstick and liquid gel liner. I take some amount of this product and make my dry gel liner super creamy. It makes the product smudge-proof and brush-proof also. Here you can see the demo. I also fix my dry liquid lipstick with the help of this product. The lipstick becomes super creamy and easily glides my lips. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.